Hello peeps and welcome back to Decorate Every Nail You Got. This is where we are going to be doing the Mani by Me box, and we are going to be doing the, is this the January box? So let's get to it. So inside you see we have fun things, we have cards and a bundle. Let us check out the things. Show the cards first, fine. Okay, so I like to be surprised. You have a look at what's in there. Okay, I'm turning that over so I don't look at it. And this says Fur Fiction. Oh, it's gotta be kitty cat plates. That's cute. Okay, does the perfect day include a good book and your favorite furry friend cuddled next to you? If so, we're kickstarting the new year with this perfect literary collaboration from this month's Mani by Me. Very cute. Okay, so it's going to show, oh, this will be fun. Oh, yay. We're going to do a gradient, and then we're going to do some reverse stamping on there. Wow, that's a cute nail, and I'm excited to do this one. So, yeah, stay tuned. The next video I post will be this very thing. All right, let's get in there and see what's in the bundle. Okay. I'm always excited about the extra item because I have no idea what it is. Powder art pen. Remove the powder pen cap using the sponge tip. Rub the powder onto an old stamper head. Do not apply onto a polished nail as it will cause dents in the wet polish. Once your nail polish is semi-tacky, stamp the powder onto the nail. How's that different than a pot of powder? I haven't seen this. Honestly, I haven't seen this yet. I feel like I'm losing my nail game, people. Like, what is going on with me? Honestly, I've just been so busy. I just don't have time to play with the things like I used to. Like, look, there's nothing on my nails right now. How boring is that? La 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 lame. Okay, I'm sorry. I'm very curious about this, so I gotta get in here and check it out. A powder air cushion magic. It's not any powder pen, people. It's a magic powder pen. I'm trying to dive into this thing. Can't seem to manage it, so I'm going to get some scissors. Okay, I should have a cut now. I don't know about you guys, the weather in Germany is frosty. We got a snow day from school today, which was kind of amazing. Even as a teacher, we appreciate a good snow day. So, what is going on with this thing? Hello, can I get in, please? Holy poople snaps! All right, I feel like I'm getting in now. Okay. All right, that's weird. Okay, oh, it kind of like popped out. Oh, I see. The powder is inside here. I don't think you guys can see that. Maybe you can. There we go, a little bit. The powder is in here, and then, okay. All right, well, maybe on the additional nail I do during the tutorial, I'll play with that a little bit. Interesting. Okay. Let's get into our stamping plates first. I'm guessing it's cats and book stuff. So we've got MXM119 and 120. And just like I suspected, we've got all different, oh, book nerd, that's so cute. Cats, coffee, and books. World domination, that's funny. And it's a kitty cat reading it. Books and cats, life is good. These are really cute, but also mixed in with coffee. So we have coffee and books and kitty cats. Very cute. Lots of different stamps. Oh, okay. And then here's a whole shelving system. And then you've got all different kinds of sayings about it. And you've got your little books and kitty cats. What is it? Just one more chapter. Treat your shelf. That's funny. Keep calm and read on. There's a book for every situation. These are really adorable. Okay, so let us now have a look at the colors. I can't wait to do the tutorial. I think it's going to be really cute. Okay, let's dive in. I opened the top, so that's a good thing. Normally I do the bottom. Okay. Those are interesting colors. This one is not my favorite. I don't know what it is, but there are good uses for it. A catnap. Okay. It's kind of an orangey brown. All right. And always a good gray can always fit. So, Literary Classic. Okay, so interesting combination. Let's see where it takes us. Let's go ahead and swatch both of these. Let me get my stuff ready. Ah, I found something else. Oh snap! It's a sticker, and it's got the gingerbread going. Oh snap! That is so cute. I love their stickers. So thanks Maniology, and now I'll get my stuff ready to stamp. All right, you know what? Let's go ahead and swatch them on these fake nails first. Let's start out with Catnap. Whoa, taking you guys for a ride. Let's start out with Catnap, and just looks like a cream finish, kind of brown. That is not. I mean, I could use this for like reverse stamping and stuff, but I could not walk around with my nails this color. Not for me. So that's my personal preference, though. It looks darker than it's showing up on camera. Let's see if I can. It's kind of a toffee nut color, for lack of a better term. And then you've got your gray color that's called Literary Classic. Like I said, a gray is always welcome in my book. It does have a hint of purple. I guess many grays do. So this is a really luxurious looking gray. I do like this one, it's really pretty. So let's get a closer. And then we'll let those dry a little bit as we're stamping on some other stuff. All right, now let's get our stamp stuff ready. And let's start out with Literary Classic. My stamp stuff is not ready. I don't know what I was thinking. It ain't ready. So let's just do this thing. I think this is going to stamp really well too. Well, if I had my stamper ready, that would help as well. I'm going to grab my monocle stamper. Whoop. And pluck it on. Yeah. Okay, it does come off, like I said, with a hint of purple. It does look like almost like a lilac or lavender color. Lavender color. Very pretty, but it definitely comes off purple. Okay? All right, on to the next one. I shall clean, and then we shall be on to the Catnap color. It is just maybe wooden looking. This would be a good one to do different shades of wood with. Coming off a little orange. I'm just see if I get some of that on there. Okay. Yeah, like I said, not my favorite color, and I certainly wouldn't walk around with my nails this color, but for reverse stamping and things like that, I think it'll go well. So overall, not a bad kit, and I'm super curious to find out more about this. I gotta find an old stamper that I can use, but I'll definitely play with it when I do the tutorial, so stay tuned for that, okay? So let's go over all the fun things that we get in the January 2024 Mani by Me kit. You get, let me get this stuff out of the way. First and foremost, you get this super cute little Oh Snap sticker. I don't know, do you guys get different stickers than I get? Do they just randomly? I don't know. Anyway, you get the tutorial and you get the card that tells you exactly what everything is. And on top of that, you get the two colors. This month's colors are Catnap and Literary Classic. And you get the very adorable, super cute plates MXM119 and 120. These are all about cats and books and coffee. And you know, you book lovers are definitely gonna love those things. I mean, I like books, but I don't know if I'm a book lover, but I could certainly see something, some nail thing with this for sure. Okay, peeps, so that is what, oh, I almost forgot the extra item, the powder pen. So I'm excited to try that. All right, guys, again, if you like Maniology as much as I like Maniology, then feel free to go to the website, put things in your basket, and get 10% off of your order by using the code GrooveMama. Also, if you want to follow me on Instagram, that would be amazeballs @GrooveMama. And yeah, people, until we meet again, I do hope that you decorate every nail you got. Bye!